My name is Abdul Hakim Adyong Lumondot, Business Administration third year, running for CSG President Independent, and by the way, I am 18 years old. It's my dream talaga na magsilbi sa taong bayan. Actually, leadership is serving. You're not the one to be served. Ikaw ang magsisilbi. We are all leaders in ourselves. Lahat ng tao, we are born to become leaders. Pero hindi lang natin nakikita. Isa sa pinaglalaban kong prinsipyo ng mga Atenista is being person for others and then being magus. For me, being person for others is not just being person for others for a specific group. Mahilig ako makipaglaban. When I say paglalaban, maybe siguro I can say to myself na masira na ang pangalan ko. Alam ko lang sa sarili kong ipinaglalaban ko ang tama. Siguro masabi kong edge ko is I am running independently. Kung ano man yung mararating ko sa pagkapanalo ko, hindi ko inaasa sa ibang tao. Hindi ko iniasa sa anumang partido, sa anumang grupo ng mga tao. Ngunit sarili kong kayod na ipinakita ko sa tao. I'm promoting Lahi na Sad movement for this 2013 administration, this 2013 election and the coming administration. I become president of the CSG, it will become 3 Bs. The bridging the gaps, breaking the barriers, and building the community once again. If you want to have a plain advocacy, if you don't want to challenge the status quo, parang ganin sila sa Bisaya na naandan, I am no longer asking for your vote. Yun lagi kong sinasabi. But, if gusto natin na makita naman ang pagbabago, na may isang administrasyong handang ipaglaban ang karapatan ng mga estudyante, isang administrasyon na really willing to make a stand for the student, because this is a student government. And when we say student government, it is the voice of the student, the reflection of the student. If the student government is weak, it is just sending to the rest of the world that Xavier University students are weak. But when the student government is strong, you are sending a clear message to everyone that the students of Xavier University is strong at handang harapin ang pagbabago o ang hamon ng makabagong panahon. And that's why I'm saying them, I'm asking for you.